Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2024 Chevrolet 2500 HD LT. This one got the 4-inch Cognito. This is their standard series kit. Now the standard series is going to come with the Fox 2.0 smooth body shocks. When you move up to the performance series, that's when you're going to get the Resis and the upper control arm and the Pitman and idler arm. But this is still a very nice system. You definitely don't have to have the upper arms and the Resi shocks for it to ride really nice. The benefit of this kit and what makes it ride so good is that it has great suspension angles. So as you can see there, it's not like having a 3-inch key lift. It just uses new torsion keys and upper arms and cranks the torsion bars up. Doing it this way, we have factory-like angles. And again, that's just going to give you a better ride and prolong the life of your suspension components. It's got a 37 12 50 20 Nitto Recon. Very minimal trimming just through here and then on the corner of the bumper and the valence. Nothing to the back of the flare here. All this just clears fine. As you can see, we've still got the stock upper arm, the Fox 2.0 shock. You can see the non-torsion drop brackets, rear cross member. You see how this system utilizes the skid plate to connect both the front and rear cross members. Hopefully you can see that. The lighting is a little weird. Now this kit's going to come with a 2-inch rear block. It's also going to use the same Fox 2.0 shocks in the rear. Really nice, clean looking truck. We do have another one over here that we just finished as well, with the same 4-inch lift. This one's the Performance Series. We'll be doing a video on that one shortly as well. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.